Have you ever wondered how your data stays private on the internet or how people access blocked website from anywhere in the world? Well, the answer is VPN. In today's video, I will explain how VPN works step by steps in the simplest way possible. So, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to like and subscribe to support the Gaurav Tech. Let's start with the basics. A virtual private network VPN is a security technology that creates an encrypted tunnel between your devices and a VPN server over the internet so your traffic travels privately and your real IP address is hidden. Let's discuss about the applications of VPN. It provides privacy protection that hides your IP and encrypts traffic so ISPs, advertisers, and third parties can't easily monitor your browsing. It provides security on public Wi-Fi that encrypts and protects login and personal data on unsafe networks such as airports, cafes, etc. It changes your apparent location by routing through another region server, unlocking region-limited sites or services. Since traffic is encrypted, ISPs can easily identify specific activities like streaming, gaming to selectively slow them. It lets employees connected to internal company resources securely from outside the organization. Now, let's understand the main concept how VPN actually works. There are five key steps that is connection, data encryption, tunneling, decryption, and end-to-end protection. Let's break this down. When you turn on a VPN, first your device connect to a VPN server. Then your data gets encrypted, meaning it is converted into unreadable code. This encrypted data travels through a secure tunnel over the internet. Once it reaches the VPN server, it gets decrypted. Finally, the server sends the request to the website. And when the response comes back, the same process happens in reverse. So, even if someone intercepts your data, they can't read it. VPNs can be categorized based on how they are used. First of all, we have remote access VPN. It allows an individual user to securely connect to a private network over the internet and it is widely used by the employees working remotely. Then we have site-to-site VPN. It securely connects to our more separate networks such as a head office and a branch offices so internal communication remains protected across locations. Then mobile VPN. It is designed for mobile users and keeps the VPN session stable even when the devices switches between Wi-Fi and cellular networks. Now let's look at the VPN types based on protocols. This defines how data is transmitted. First of all, we have PPTP, which stands for point-to-point tunneling protocol. It is an older protocol that can be fast but it provides weak security, so it is mainly used for legacy systems. Then we have L2TP/IPsec. It combines L2TP tunneling with IPsec encryption, which improves security but it can add performance overhead. Then we have OpenVPN. It is an open source protocol that uses SSL/TLS for encryption and it is widely adopted because it provides strong security and flexibility. After that, we have IKE V2/IPsec protocol. It is a secure and fast protocol that works very well on mobile devices because it reconnects quickly when network conditions change. Then we have WireGuard. WireGuard is a modern VPN protocol designed to be lightweight, fast, and easier to secure due to a small code base. Then at the last, we have SSTP. It stands for Secure Socket Tunneling Protocol. SSTP is a Microsoft VPN protocol that tunnels traffic over SSL/TLS using TCP port 443. Even though VPNs are powerful, they do have some limitations. First of all, it reduces the internet speed. Edge encryption and routing can slow down your connection. It provides inconsistent quality, so not all the VPN services are reliable. Some websites can detect and block VPN users. It has configuration complexity, that is, setting up an advanced VPN can be difficult. Also, the cost factors. Good VPN services usually requires a subscription. So now you understand not just what a VPN is, but exactly how it works behind the scenes. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like the video, comment your thoughts, and subscribe to the Gaurav's Tech for more tech content. and let me know in the comments what topic should I cover next. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.